What's up?
What's up? What's up?
It's your girl Mina and
It's your girl Nia, and today we are back
with another freaking video. Okay, so the first thing that we have is a straw, slime, and we got this glue thing. It's like it makes your slime
stretchy and sticky.
Yeah.
So look, it'll be like brand new.
Right, at first our slime it was only stretched like this far.
Exactly.
Literally, but ours stretched like all the way to Million Faces.
Million Faces.
Okay, so first when you have slime, first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna just open it up,
Spread it out. Make sure it doesn't get hard.
So you do this, then you spread it out, and then you have to
I need some of this.
wait.
What's this? Ooh, looks like solution.
It's not.
Let me see what it
Just spread it. What? Mess it up.
There. Oh yeah, it is. Are you squeezing it?
Sorry, guys.
We're having a miscommunication. That's good. I think that's a good.
Okay, so now I squeeze some in mine, and now she can squeeze some of hers. And for me, I squeeze 3 pumps of this in here, and it's like an activator.
Yeah. See, look at this. It looks nice.
It's all slimy and sticky and good. That's okay.
That's how I like it. Slimy. See, look.
Slimy, sticky, still going, good, popping.
What's sloppy?
Okay, so and
It's a
guys,
little
you
change black.
can actually make slime right now. Literally, like make slime.
You can?
So,
We'll be back with the ingredients.
So in our next video, we're gonna be making slime, but in this video, we're gonna show you how we do our little tutorial thing. And this is only gonna be a short video, so don't think this is gonna be like a whole freaking video.
Exactly. And we wasting time talking. That's basically it. Look, did you see what I did?
Okay, so if y'all saw that, and y'all know
I'm
always...
experimenting on slime just to see what we can do for our next video. We might do a giveaway. We might not.
Yeah. Might do a giveaway, but I don't know.
A giveaway
So
on slime.
probably not, because probably not. But yeah, like I said, we showed y'all how we blow our bubbles in our slime
And this was going to be a short video. So,
like we said,
peace, y'all.
Peace, y'all.
We're going to
Love
be back.
y'all.
Like, subscribe, and make sure y'all follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. You already know what it is.
We're going to put her thing in the description and my Musical.ly, my whatever thing. So, yeah. Bye.
Social media.